Krishna. Today, 1st of November 2020, starting off Damodara month, and starting here also the new chapter 13 of Srimad Bhagavatam of Canto 3rd, and this entirely is appearance of Lord Braha. So because you all are very sincerely doing some devotional service, so Lord Braha said, let me appear in the month of Damodara to bless you all. Okay, so coincident that Lord will appear in the month of Damodara to bestow His mercy upon you all. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayamudiraye. Nashprayeshu Bhadreshu Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya. Bhagavati Uttama Shloke Bhaktir Bhavati Naistike. So text 1. Sri Sukhovacha Nishamya Vacham Vadatu Mune Purnyatamam Nirpa Bhuya Prapacha Kaurabhyo Vasudeva Katha Adhritaha. Sri Sukhovacha, Sri Sukadeva Goswami said, Nishamya, after hearing, Vacham talks, Vadataha, while speaking, Munehi of Maitreya Muni, Purnya Tamam, the most virtuous, Nirpa, O king, Bhuyaha. Then again, Prapacha inquired, Kaurai Vayaha, the best among the Kuru, Viduraj. Vasudeva Katha, topic on the subject of personality of Godhead. Vasudeva Adhritaha, one who so adores. Translation purport by His Divine Grace, Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. Sukadeva Goswami said, O king, after hearing all these more virtuous topics from the sage Maitreya, Vidura inquired further on the topics of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, which he adored to hear. Om Ajnanati Mirandasya Jnananjan Salakaya Chakshmritamena Tasmai Sri Guruve Namah. Sri Chaitanya Mano Vaishnavastapitamena Bhutale Swayam Rupakadamayam Dadati Supatandigam. Bandeyam Sri Guru Shata Padakamalam Sri Gurun Vaishnavamsa Sri Rupam Sagradatam Sagana Raghunathan Vidyatam Sajivam Sadhvaitam Savadutam Parijan Sahitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Sri Radha Krishna Padhan Sagana Lalita Shri Vishakhan Mitamcha He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Dinabandhu Jagatpati Gopes Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namastute Tapti Kanchana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vrishavan Shude Devi Pranamami Hari Priye Vangcha Kalpataru Vesha Sindhu Payevacha Patita Nama Pavani Vyo Vaishnavevyo Namo Namo. Jai Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Sri Vasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare. Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Vishtaya Bhutale Sri Mate Jai Pataka Swami Tinamine Namaho Acharya Padaya Nitaya Kripa Pardayine Gaurgata Dhamadaya Nagaragrama Tarane. Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Vishtaya Bhutale Srimate Bhaktivedanta Swami Nityanamine. Namaste Saraswati Devi Gauravani Pracharane Nirvishesha Shunevadi Pashyadade Satarune. Jai Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Sri Vasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare. Sri Sukhovacha Nishamya Vacham Vadatu Mune Purnyatamam Nirpa Bhuya Pravaksha Kauravyo Vasudeva Katha Dhritaha. So, as far as you are concerned, This Srimad Bhagavatam we are hearing from Srila Prabhupada. And Prabhupada is narrating that in Naimisharanya, the sages are assembled for thousands years of sacrifice. Kalimagatam agnaya kshetre asmin vaishnave vayam ashinam dirgha satrena kathayam sachakshana harehe. So they invited their guru, senior most in knowledge, not in body, Suta Goswami, prapachumidam adrat. With a great respect they inquire. They inquire about Krishna Katha. In turn of Suta Goswami, he is referring to Sukha Goswami, Sukdeva Maharaj, Sukdeva, who is in turn sitting in the bank of Ganges known as Suktala. It is near Haridwar. And there he is enlightening Parikshit Maharaj. And what he is saying, that how things had happened, the conversation came between Krishna and Brahma, then Maitreya and Vidura, and Maitreya and Brahmaji also came in between. So it is like a flashback. Now we have again reached at Suktala, where Sukadeva Goswami is saying. He is saying, oh, king. Now Parikshit Maharaj has given up his kingdom, completely renounced. He has forgiven his beautiful wives, children, treasury, horses, everything, and he is naked, just one kaupina. And he is sitting in front of his Goswami, who is a Nagnadhara. Why Sukadeva is Nagna? Because material possession always causes the problem. So he had Nivrittaha. And in the Nivritta state, he delivered Krishna to him. Now Sukadeva is saying, oh king, now why is the king here? Because king's primary duty is to take care of his praja. Now, Parikshit Maharaj is also taking care of his praja, saying that, oh my dear Lord, what a man is supposed to do who is about to die. What a man should do, hear or chant, who is about to die. So this question is for all of his praja, because sooner or later, every one of them will die. So he is asking this question. So that's why he is known as king. But at the particular juncture, he has given up everything. Everything. So he says, oh my dear king, oh my dear Parikshit, after hearing those most virtuous topics from Sage Maitreya, now Sage Maitreya is narrating the Utpatti of Brahma, the Sarga Visarga, what all has come out from him. And he was attentively listening, and everything Maitreya is saying, because of the Lord, because of the Lord, because of the Lord, because of the Lord, because of the Lord. Therefore, Vidura inquired further the topic about the Supreme Personality of Godhead. He wants to know more. Vayam tu na vitrapyama uttam sloka vikrame yaksha sharanavatam rasam jnanam swadu pade pade. Now, how it is possible? Think of it. Meditate upon. How is it possible? These kathas are going on from time immemorial. And why is still so fresh? Why they attack the mind and the soul and intelligence of all Manishana? Why? Because this Srimad Bhagavatam and topic about Krishna, they are apaurushaya. They are not man-made. Anything that is man-made, it gets destroyed over a period of time. Doesn't matter how beautiful it must be, how nice it must be. It is a time limit, time period, expiry date, everything finished. But since these scriptures are apaurushaya, they are not written by the man. Therefore, they exist forever, in the past, in the present, in the future. How long? Eternity. They are avyaya. They are akshaya. Akshaya. Kshaya means destroyed. They never get destroyed. So Vidura very much well. Let me know more, because my Guru Maharaj is in a mood to talk about Krishna. Prabhupada says, the word adrataha is significant because it indicates that Vidura had a natural inclination for hearing the transcendental message of the Supreme Person of Godhead. And he was never fully satisfied through continuing to hear those topics. He wanted to hear more and more so that he could be more and more blessed by the transcendental message. But who understands? It is very, very difficult to understand the face value. Very, very difficult. A small anecdote. Once in a class, a girl was sitting in the front bench and crying. The teacher came and asked her, "Hey, just get up, what happened? Why are you crying?" She pitiably said, "My mother is in a hospital." "Oh, where's your daddy?" "He's in a police station." "Oh, how could I help you?" She said, "Teacher, I want to go home." Teacher became very much compassionate. He said, okay. I grant you leave. Please go home and take care of your mommy and daddy if possible, and come back only when you are feeling sober. So she goes home. Then her father comes in, the girl's father. And she told the teacher, "Where is my daughter?" She said, "Oh," she didn't know he's the father. "Oh," he said, "My God, the poor girl. You know, her mother is in the hospital. And her father is in a police station. She was feeling very weird. So I told her to go home. Take rest." He said, "What? Her mother is in hospital because she's a nurse. And father in the police station because he's a policeman." Now, teacher became stubborn. So sometimes from the face value, you do not understand who is going to say what and what is the motive behind. So, anybody can be fooled by flowery language. Anybody can be fooled by passionate. Generally there is one Tilak Bridge, and on the Tilak Bridge there is a man, he used to beg. His begging style was fantastic. As soon as the red light, he'll go to every car. He say, "My mother just died and I have no money to buy the wood for her cremation." And everyone will give somebody 10, 20, 30, 40. And that he was doing for the last many, many months until people recognize that he's none other than but a cheater. So very, very difficult to understand from the face value. Why I'm saying this? Nowadays, people can speak on Srimad Bhagavatam. They give very nice oration, fantastic. But what is their character? Nobody knows. That's why it has been advised to hear from a Pramanik Guru. Vidura has chosen a Pramanik Guru. He is advised by Uddhava. The Lord Krishna has left the message for you with Maitreya Muni when I was in front of him. Go and seek shelter. So I am talking Pramanik. Otherwise, so many videos and people are talking about Rasa Leela and all kind of thing. Even great renowned speaker in India, those having millions of followers in their classes, open your theater. But what is the character? So you must find out there should be some Paramanik person whom you yourself can vouch. Yes, he is the person. And then hear from him. And he can deliver Krishna to you. So, first of all, we have to have an appetite to know about Krishna. And then if I have a sincere, that appetite I will say, or appetite I will say, then Krishna will give you that particular guru, particular institution, particular thing. Rest assured. So, Vidura was associating with the Duryodhanan party. but he never inherited any qualities from them. Padma patra imam vasa. Like the water on the lotus leaf. Water is there, but doesn't get attached. As when a time comes, little slope, run away. So similarly, we are here in this part of the world. We may be mixing the people who are non-devotees, but make sure you don't carry their character with you. Make sure you don't get influenced by their character and activities. I had a very nice friend. His name is Khalil Sabah. When I broke my hip, I came back after 6 months. So he suggested me, see, you are an old man, but if you have to get cure fast, please eat as much as fish you can. As much as fish. I said, yeah, Khalil, thank you very much. I'll start eating the fish. You see, marta kya na karta. But no, you have to have the willingness. Prabhupada was nurtured by his father, Gaur Mohan Ray, to become a pure devotee. Once he had a fever, and the fever was not going. So doctor, I don't know, Dr. Dutt or somebody, he told Gaur Mohan Ray, look, the boy is very serious. You give him the chicken soup. But Gaur Mohan Ray said, yeah, we are Vaishnava, we cannot make the chicken in our home. He said, don't worry, I'll bring it. And Gaur Mohan Ray, out of the love for Abhay Charanara, he said, okay, bring it. Now, the next day doctor brought the soup, chicken soup. The boy Abhay is lying on the bed. They put in a spoonful of soup, put in his mouth, and poor Abhay Charana, he started vomiting. And boy is in a fever, he doesn't know what they are administering him. But Krishna, residing within the heart, knows what is good or bad. So similarly, if we install Krishna within, Krishna is with everybody, but to have so much of faith, then Krishna will guide us. What to do, when to do, where to do, he'll guide us. Nothing to worry. So, Ichha Dvesha Samutvena Dvanda Mohena Bharata. Whenever Dvanda will go, then there is nothing. Look at Vidura. He is not thinking he has heard that his brothers, his nephews, they are all killed. He is not interested in knowing them, who killed whom and how they were killed. No, he is interested in Harikatha. He just interested in Harikatha. So you have to have so much of faith on Krishna that you can always Krishna. There's only two things in life. Never forget Krishna. First thing. And second thing, always remember Krishna. That's it. We are hearing, picking up from Vidura's character. And who is vouching it? Sukadeva Goswami vouching. He is Vishnu Rata, Brahma Rata. He is vouching that Vidura was very much inclined to hear Harikatha. Isn't it? And when we are in any of the classes, if time for half an hour or 20 minutes, every one of them will start watching at their watch. When he'll finish. So, Vayam tu na viprama, remove the no. Vayam viprapyamaha. We don't have that Krishnamati. Very few. Damodara month has come. We have to do something little extra. Not in quantity, but in quality. Even your 16 rounds that you do in your japa, make it a quality one. Out of love. I should not say this, but out of passion. See, we should be very proud that I am the servant of Krishna. Not the devotee of Krishna, I am the servant of Krishna. Krishna tabadasu asmi. Feel free to say this and then invite Krishna in a life. So, yeah, I'll take the second one also. Nothing much. Vidro vacha Saveshvayambhuva Samrat Priyaha Putra Swayambhuvaha Pratilabhya Priyam Patnim Kim Chakar Tatu Mune. Vidra Vacha, Vidra said, Saha, he, we, easily. Swayambhuvaha, Swayambhu Manu, Samrat, the king of all kings. Priyaha, dear. Putraha, sons. Swayambhuvaha, of Brahma. Pratilabhya, after obtaining. Priyam, most loving. Patnim, wife. Kim, what? Chakara, did. Tataha, thereafter. Mune, O great sage. Translation purport? No, only translation. Vidura said, this is the first question. Huh? O great sage, what did Swayambhuva, the dear son of Brahma, do after obtaining his loving wife? Now it is not a mundane topic. Don't think of mundane topic. He is saying, what he is trying to know, how have they created the progeny? How have they created the Prajapati? What all they have did? And every action of theirs is but devotional service unto the Supreme Personality of Godhead. But if you just read like that, it means whether are these sisters wanting to know what transpired between the husband and wife? No, he's saying what kind of devotion they have done. What kind of activity they perform to please the Supreme Personality of Godhead. After giving his daughter to these sages, what did they do? How this srishti took place? How they can manage to give the bodies to all the souls? So it's interesting in the theme of Krishna. That's what Krishna wanted. Krishna wanted to provide the material bodies to the soul so that they can fulfill the desire, their longings. He is so very kind. If somebody wants to murder somebody, Krishna will make possible that he will given a chance to murder. You may be thinking, right? Why? But they are the action and reaction, action and reaction, action and reaction. So he fulfilling the desire of everybody. If suppose somebody got killed in the previous life by a certain person, in order to take a revenge, he will be born now and he will kill him. For any reason, good reason or bad reason. That we don't know. But here in action, reaction is sanctioned by Krishna. That's what we have to understand. Now the more we surrender to Krishna, the more understanding will become. The more intelligence will become. And what intelligence will become? That I am not this body. Therefore, whatever happening to the body, whether fame or infamy, whether happiness or distress, heat or cold, fame or infamy, whatever is happening, any dualities of material world, it is happening to the body, not to me. Like suppose you are wearing a nice sari or a suit and it gets destroyed. You come home and change it. You have no feeling. Give it to the dry cleaner. That's all right. No feeling. Similarly, the Manishinaha, those who are thoughtful, they don't mind what is happening to the body. Now, mind you, you might feel bad. It's all right because it's a chemical reaction to the body. But that chemical reaction should not last more than 5 to 10 minutes. Otherwise, in our cases, is go weeks to the months to the year to the life to take the revenge. But the devotees, sometimes they may feel bad. After all, sarira vidya jal, there is avidya in the sarira. But immediately they come to the senses, no. Titikshava karunukaha surda sarvadehinam ajata satru santavaha sadhava sadhubhushanam. These are the ornaments of sadhu, titikshava. is very calm, quiet, and content. Never feel any anxiety. Never feel any dejected. And you know what? If we experience these kind of things, if we get fear, if we get too much of happiness, if anything odd we cannot tolerate, then we should understand that still my devotion is far, far away from my goal. What do? It starts once again. Buckle up. Do it again. And a proper way. And proper way always what? Chant. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So I'll come to the conclusion of this talk. Wish you all a very, very happy Damodara month. Hare Krishna.